Hey guys, this is going to be my first ever video on this channel, and I just want to say that my first 10 videos, or actually my first 9 videos, will be both recorded and edited in 2024, but the 10th video will be recorded and edited in January 2025, so it's not going to be handled in real time. But from, I think it was May 2nd, I will be posting, recording and editing in real time. So, just want to give you guys a heads up, and I hope you enjoy this channel and video. So, without further ado, enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video here on my channel. This is my first ever video that I will be posting on this channel. And if you couldn't already tell, this is a motorcycle channel that I will be posting on. And my current bike is the Kawasaki Ninja 125 KRT edition, Kawasaki Racing Team. So, very beautiful bike. I'm very hyped to be starting to be, posting on YouTube. But yeah, so as you can probably tell from the title of this video, I will be removing the original muffler and seeing how it sounds street piped. So let's get right into it. So it was very quiet, just like a normal 4-stroke 125, nothing fancy like that. So I will be back in, well, it's gonna be a second for you guys, and then we will have no muffler right here and see again how it sounds street piped. Hey guys, now we're back, but the exhaust removed here, as you can see. So let's start it up. So that was a game changer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.